Okay, in this exercise, I'll be showing you how to create an activities using Google Slides so that the group, when they break into small group or breakout room, they can actually use this activity to learn. Okay, this is what we call an interactive activity. You can actually make it by creating all these little boxes of labels, okay, and then you just have to arrange it in a format that is jumbled up. So the students will have to basically arrange all this information in a proper order. Okay, so basically, if you look at over here, I have actually a layout. Okay, the layout will be the day 1, day 2, day 3, and by 30 days. This is a layout which I create using either PowerPoint or using slides. And then you save it as an image. So this is one image by itself. Then after that, you save the headings. Okay, all these are movable headings. Okay, so these are the main headings. That's why I put it in green in color. Okay, I put it in a row so that students don't get confused. They just have to arrange the position will do. Okay, so it's easier for them if I put it this way because I found that if I arrange it in a mess up manner, not many people has that common sense to kind of arrange it in a proper order. So in order not to confuse people, I've put them in a kind of a layout order so that they can just have to rearrange it. Okay, next will be the subheadings. These are known as subheadings. It's also in a mess up position. They have to arrange it. Then after the subheadings will be all the pointers. Okay, so you can just move it here, you move it here, you can move it wherever you want. Okay, can you see that? Okay, so what students will be doing is that during the discussion, they will have to decide which one comes first for the first step. Then after that, for the subheadings. And finally, all these things they have to arrange in a proper order. Okay, can you see that? Okay, so okay. So let's say you have a few groups that you are training, okay, or you're breaking them up into smaller groups. So what you can do is quite simple. Okay, so from here you can see that I have actually created a few groups like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if I want to create another duplicate for another groups, I just have to click here, click make a copy entire. Okay, then I will set as group 5. Okay, so for example, I have 5 groups because of the class size I create. Okay, what happened is that right now I have 5 groups. So how do you share the link to your students? It's quite simple. You just go to share. Okay. Like for my side, I make it editable to anyone with the link. Okay. I allow them to edit. Then I just have to copy the link. Okay. Can you see that? So it's quite simple. So after to copy the link, you can actually save it up maybe in a place. Like for example, let's say group 1, this is a link. You can paste it to maybe a document or whatever. Okay, you just have to paste it. That will be done. Okay, so after you give the links to the students, the respective group students with that designated link given to them from here, okay, which you created, click on here, select, okay. You might not have all these things for your Google Slides because I'm using Google Workspace for my company. But if you are using your own free account, it'll be quite simple. You just have maybe even you have a short link. So from my side, I don't have that. Okay. So if you can see, it's quite easy to get the link. You just have to copy the link and then you just paste it to a document that you want to share with your group. Okay. Okay, so it's quite straightforward. I just repeat it again. Share. Okay. Anyone with the link? Editable. Done. Okay, I repeat again so that you can see clearly. Share. Anyone with a link? Editable. Done. Okay, again. Share. Anyone with a link? Editable. Done. Okay, so you can see that when you go and check, it's already anyone on the internet with this link can edit. Okay. Okay, then you can just click on copy here. It's copied there. Okay. So this is how you actually create an activity that you can use in Zoom for the student to just decide and discuss and just move around all these things. Okay, as part of their learning activity. Okay, hope this will help you how to create a learning activity for your class. Okay, that's all. Bye.